Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video for hashtag Thrifty Thursday. Yes, per request, I am back with a Thrifty Thursday. So thank you guys for letting me know how much y'all are enjoying these videos. So let's jump right into the vlog. Here you will hear the sound of a piano playing and say hi to this cute little dog. Hi, baby. I hope that y'all enjoyed that. I was thinking that someone was in the back playing the piano, but indeed it was a scroll piano, and you can see the scroll inside there, and it was actually rotating, and these were sold as a pair. I actually wanted to ask them how much they would charge me to buy one of those scrolls, and they said, I'm sorry, but they are not for sale without the piano, which I could see why, because it played so beautifully. I wanted to also show you guys how wonderful this wood was in its great condition. The knobs were down here where you can control them. I had no idea that you could even slow down the music, make it louder or speed it up, whichever you could see there. I just thought it was the coolest thing, so I absolutely had to share it with you guys. I also want to thank my oldest son Hasiel because he edited a portion of this video for you guys and was really looking forward to seeing all the thrifty finds himself. And so here I'm showing you guys some china cabinets, and after that I did not find anything, so we move on to the next thrift shop, which is the one that you guys always like. Crystal on Vividly on Paper had requested for me to show her the doors, and Cara herself, this is her favorite shop that I take her to. So you guys, it means a whole bunch to me that y'all are letting me know some feedback. I love hearing from you guys. It makes me smile. So I really look forward to Thrifty Thursdays. It's one of my favorite videos to film when I have the chance. And so here I'm flipping through this bird book, and it reminded me of my friend Cara. So it brings, like, when I see certain things, it reminds me of you guys. It makes me think of y'all. So here I'm just showing off this cute little shelf that one of the ladies that I got to talking to there, Martha, so I don't know if she's watching this, but Martha, how are you? Hope all is well. Her cubbies are actually one of the cubbies I've recorded multiple times for you guys, and now I wonder if I'm able to spot the way she decorates, because I've noticed that they are my favorites to film. Alright, moving on to this little cubby here. They decorated it so beautifully with like a coffee theme, and I enjoy coffee, so I figured I'd share this footage with you. Sorry, I hope I'm not talking too much, but I'm just really excited. And so here is a coffee grinder. This is what they look like. I was not aware that how pretty they were back in the day. Or a grinder, I think. I don't know. Who knows? But it looks really cool. And then here, this reminded me of Pam over at Pam Vanny. She likes burlap sacks. So hi, Pam. And then here to the side, I saw these boots. These real fur boots. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but they were so fluffy and so pretty. I love anything fluffy. And then here we see some little Muppets. No, not Muppets, puppets. Oh, doesn't he look like Weird Al? Cute. Okay, here's another one of Martha's booths. I really like the fall theme that she decorated here, and I love that wheel in the background. I just not sure what it's called. And of course, she's got her little pumpkins there. And then here, this is the toy area where I mainly shop for books, but I also wanted to show you guys this booth. I hardly ever go in here. It's kind of overwhelming, to say the least, but lots of kitchenware, lots of plates, lots of cookware. And then here I came across what looks like posters for school, and I'm sure they tell the children, like, can you describe what you see in this picture? And of course, going through them, they were very inexpensive, but isn't this picture cute? She looks like she's about to smack her sibling. And anyways, they caught my attention. I just think they're the cutest thing, so I figured I would share them with y'all and flip through a couple of them. So in this next little booth here, they had jewelry jars and they had a whole bunch, and I like the way she prepped them in these cute little jars for her customers, and they look like they're recycled like jelly jars. And then to the side of this, she also had individual jewelry like brooches and earrings, all those kinds of things, and they look really pretty. But that's not all, you guys. I went further into this booth and I was very excited to find that she also had massive bags of jewelry right there. Look at that, just big old bags. And so one of these days I might have to pick up one of them and go through it, you guys, because they're really beautiful. Lots of fun jewelry inside to play with and use for multiple crafts. Love it. At the far left, she had like a children's sack, but this one, you guys, this one really got my attention. That's a good bag right there. And then here I wanted to show you guys this stove, because look how cute it is. It's got its little, yes, that thing that I'm holding there to lift up the plates in order to start cooking. Like, how cool is that? Here we're coming up on a phases of the moon picture that I really liked. I sent a picture to my husband. He said yes, get it. So we have it. It's now in our house, in our living room. Here I'm showing off some lanterns. I'm crazy about lanterns. I'm not quite sure why, but I think they're beautiful, and any chance that I get them, I noticed that I will record them, so there's that. And then here we have some cute little fun bobbleheads with different types of themes, and I thought they were so cute. Look at these pumpkins. They're like bronze and gold pumpkins. And then here I am showing off some cute little teacups that have a very beautiful Asian theme with some gold, yeah, they're just gold and they're pretty. So I figured I'd film some of those for you guys because they made me feel really happy, so I figured they make you guys happy. Alright, so nearing the end of this video, if you want to see what I grabbed, then go ahead and keep on watching. Thank you so much for coming along. Hi guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that little vlog that I did for y'all at the thrift shop. However, I did go to 3 different thrift shops, so all of the stuff that I've got today solely comes from one of them, and it's not the ones that I took y'all to, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and jump right in and show you my thrifty finds. So the first thing that I picked up here is this little tiny metal plate. It was very cute, and I have no idea how much I paid for it. Oh, hi. And I don't know if y'all could see, but it's got a cute little rose there. There we go. I don't know if, or it's not a rose. It looks like more like a flower, but it's very cute. And so that was the first thrifty find that I picked up. Second off, I picked up these doilies. It felt really good to go back to a thrift shop. I hadn't been in a while, but look at this fun pack. How cute would this be for a fall journal, or maybe even for a spring journal? How cute. Next up, they are not crafty items, but I still figured I'd show y'all. And these were last minute buys because you had to have a total of $10 in order to use a debit card, which is all I had. And the lady was nice enough to let me off with $8. And this one, I really liked the front of it. Very pretty. Let me see if I can find the price. Here it is. It is for $2. So I got this cutie for $2.
Changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
I should probably remove the tags off of the other ones because it says the shop. Alright, this next one, I got it for $3, and it looks like a knitted sweater, but it is from the brand Anna.
I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish.
It is in the size large because, well, yeah. Anyways, the sad part is that it's got a lot of these little guys that are popping out. So I don't know if I could try to needle crochet them back in, or if y'all have any suggestions, let me know. But I thought this was adorbs because look at these cute little flare out sleeves. Two adorbs. I'm in love. This is Paul's dinosaur. He just wants to show it off. All right. And apparently now we have a tiger here that he wants to show off to you guys. This next shirt was for $3. And I also like that it's got an eyelet pattern on here. So pretty. This is from Liz Claiborne, and I got it in extra large. Here we are. That's what that looks like. You can tell that I've been feeling the yellows.
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let.
Would you like to say hi to the girls?
Hey, what?
All right, next up, I got this pretty pink sweater, long sleeve sweater. And this is what it looks like on the front, and I couldn't pass it up. It was just too cute. I really like her. She's a witch, and she's got her cauldron here, and it looks embroidered. And I don't know if y'all could see these little seed beads. So cute. It says, "Witch upon a star."
Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
This would be great for Halloween next year. What do you guys think? And that is it. Those are all the thrifty finds that I ended up picking up for today. Oh, this is Paul's like little hedgehog critter. And that wraps it up for me, you guys. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's Thrifty Thursday. Y'all take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.